The Vantrue N4S 3-channel dashcam offers comprehensive coverage with its ability to simultaneously record your vehicle's front, inside, and rear in 2.7K and 1440p resolution, ensuring full protection from every angle. With adaptable recording modes and adjustable camera angles, this dashcam is particularly beneficial for rideshare drivers and family vehicles, providing flexible and private safeguarding. The advanced plate picks and Starvis technology, coupled with HDR and IR night vision, ensures that every detail is captured even in challenging lighting conditions, making it invaluable for nighttime driving. The 2.5K IP67 waterproof rear camera is designed to function flawlessly in all weather conditions, offering crisp detail capture and eliminating blind spots for a safer driving experience. Connecting via 5 GHz Wi-Fi, the dashcam allows users to instantly view, download, and share footage, with built-in GPS providing precise tracking of speed, location, and mileage for reliable evidence. Featuring 24/7 parking mode and hands-free voice control, the Vantrue N4S offers constant protection and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for those seeking reliable security for their vehicle.